Hello, everyone. You are all welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily make chocolate brownies at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about making chocolate brownies at home, from their history and essential ingredients to variations, nutritional information, and step-by-step instructions for preparation. It's a versatile and indulgent dessert that is sure to satisfy any chocolate lover's cravings. Here we go. Introduction to chocolate brownies. Chocolate brownies are a beloved dessert enjoyed by people of all ages around the world. These decadent treats are characterized by their rich, fudgy texture and intense chocolate flavor. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the origins of chocolate brownies, the essential ingredients needed to make them, various variations and adaptations, their nutritional information, and detailed step-by-step instructions for preparing them at home. The history of chocolate brownies. The exact origins of chocolate brownies are somewhat murky, with several conflicting stories and claims to their invention. One popular theory is that chocolate brownies were created by accident when a baker forgot to add baking powder to a chocolate cake recipe, resulting in a denser, fudgier texture. Another theory suggests that brownies were developed in the late 19th or early 20th century as a variation of chocolate cake or cookies. Regardless of their origins, chocolate brownies quickly gained popularity in the United States and beyond, becoming a staple dessert in homes, bakeries, and restaurants. Today, they are enjoyed in countless variations, from classic fudgy brownies to indulgent triple chocolate brownies and everything in between. Essential ingredients for chocolate brownies. While there are countless variations of chocolate brownie recipes, the essential ingredients typically include 1. Chocolate. High-quality chocolate is the star ingredient in chocolate brownies, providing their rich flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture. 1. Both unsweetened baking chocolate and semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate can be used, depending on personal preference. 2. Butter. Unsalted butter adds moisture and richness to chocolate brownies, helping to create the dense, fudgy texture. 3. Sugar. Granulated sugar or brown sugar sweetens the brownies and helps to balance the bitterness of the chocolate. 4. Eggs. Eggs act as a binding agent and provide structure to the brownies, ensuring they hold together properly. 5. Flour. All-purpose flour is typically used as the base for chocolate brownies, providing structure and stability to the batter. 6. Cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder intensifies the chocolate flavor of the brownies and contributes to the dark, rich color. 7. Optional ingredients. Additional ingredients such as vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, and mix-ins like nuts, chocolate chips, or caramel can be added to customize the flavor and texture of the brownies. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Variations of chocolate brownies. Chocolate brownies can be customized in countless ways to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Some popular variations include 1. Fudgy brownies. Made with a higher ratio of chocolate to flour, fudgy brownies have a dense, moist texture and intense chocolate flavor. 2. Cakey brownies. With a higher ratio of flour to chocolate, cakey brownies have a lighter, more airy texture similar to chocolate cake. 3. Chewy brownies. Adding an extra egg or egg yolk to the batter creates chewy brownies with a slightly denser texture and rich flavor. 4. Blondies. Blondies are a variation of brownies made without chocolate, typically using brown sugar, butter, and vanilla as the base ingredients. 4. They can be customized with mix-ins like nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit. 5. Gluten-free brownies. Using gluten-free flour or alternative flours like almond flour or coconut flour makes chocolate brownies suitable for those with gluten sensitivities or dietary restrictions. 6. Vegan brownies. Substitute eggs with ingredients like flax eggs or apple sauce and use dairy-free chocolate and vegan butter to make chocolate brownies suitable for vegans. Nutritional information. While chocolate brownies are undeniably delicious, they are also relatively high in calories, sugar, and fat. However, they can still be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional information for a typical serving of chocolate brownies. 1. Calories. A single serving of chocolate brownies, approximately 2-inch square, contains around 200,250 calories, depending on the recipe and ingredients used. 2. Fat. Chocolate brownies are relatively high in fat, with each serving containing approximately 10–15 grams of fat, primarily from butter and chocolate. 3. Sugar. A single serving of chocolate brownies can contain 15–25 grams of sugar, depending on the sweetness level and additional ingredients like chocolate chips or caramel. 4. Fiber. While chocolate brownies are not a significant source of fiber, they may contain small amounts from ingredients like cocoa powder and nuts. 5. Protein. Chocolate brownies contain a small amount of protein, typically around 2–4 grams per serving, primarily from eggs and nuts. Step-by-step instructions for making chocolate brownies. Now, let's walk through the process of making classic chocolate brownies from scratch. Step 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the pan. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan or line it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal. Step 2. Melt the chocolate and butter. 1. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, double boiler, melt the chocolate and butter together, stirring occasionally until smooth and well combined. 1. Alternatively, melt the chocolate and butter in the microwave in short bursts, stirring between each burst until melted. Step 3. Prepare the batter. 1. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth and well combined. 2. Gradually pour the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly until smooth and glossy. 3. Sift in the cocoa powder and flour, stirring gently until just combined. 3. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this can result in tough brownies. Step 4. Add optional mix-ins. 1. If desired, fold in any optional mix-ins such as chocolate chips, nuts, or caramel until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Step 5. Bake the brownies. 1. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it out evenly with a spatula or the back of a spoon. 2. Bake the brownies in the preheated oven for 20–25 minutes, or until the edges are set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs attached. 3. Be careful not to overbake the brownies, as this can result in dry, crumbly texture. Step 6. Cool and serve. 1. Allow the brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack before cutting them into squares or rectangles. 2. Serve the brownies plain or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or a dusting of powdered sugar, if desired. Tips and tricks for making perfect chocolate brownies. 1. Use high-quality chocolate for the best flavor and texture. 1. Look for chocolate with at least 60% cocoa content for rich, intense flavor. 2. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this can result in tough, dense brownies. 2. Mix the batter just until the ingredients are combined. 3. For fudgy brownies, slightly underbake them to ensure they stay moist and dense in the center. 4. Allow the brownies to cool completely before cutting them to prevent them from crumbling or falling apart. 5. Store leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3–4 days, or freeze them for longer storage. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. In essence, making chocolate brownies at home is a rewarding and enjoyable process that allows you to indulge in a delicious homemade treat. Whether you prefer fudgy, cakey, or chewy brownies, there's a recipe out there to suit your taste preferences. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to enjoy the irresistible aroma and decadent taste of homemade chocolate brownies. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, Watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.